Today we've got a Buick Encore with the little 1.4 turbo. Customer says it sounds terrible when it's cold, but the noise goes away once it warms up. Let's see what's going on inside this thing. We pulled it apart for inspection and found the real problem inside the block. The cylinders are worn and heavily scuffed. When the engine is cold, the pistons and cylinder walls haven't expanded yet. With this much wear, the pistons rock in the bore and you get that cold start knock. As it warms up, everything expands and the noise gets quieter, but the damage is still there. There are deep vertical grooves in the cylinder walls. You can feel them clearly with a fingernail. That's not light scoring. That's metal worn away. At this point, this 1.4L isn't a good candidate for a quick fix. With the cylinders this worn and scuffed, the Encore is going to need a complete engine replacement or a full rebuild with machine work. If your 1.4 turbo sounds like this when it's cold, don't ignore it. It might be more than just normal noise. Upon teardown, we found the turbo housing is cracked. The turbocharger will need to be replaced. Close-up of the cylinder wall scuffing.
Grease Tech here. Hit like and follow video service information for more breakdowns and mechanical carnage.